If you have overripe bananas sitting on your counter, don't throw them away. This chocolate chip banana bread is soft, moist, and honestly hard to mess up. No fancy equipment, no stress, just a recipe that works every single time. And you will have this very delicious, fluffy, chocolatey banana bread. Look at that amazing recipe. I will show you how to achieve this. So stay tuned and like this video. First, we start with our dry ingredients. I have my flour. All the measurements will be in the description box. We add in our baking soda. We add in our baking powder. This is what makes it fluffy. I'll add in some cinnamon and salt to balance the flavor. Thoroughly combine that and you will set it aside and move over to your wet ingredients. For the star of the show, which is our overripe bananas, yes, you need overripe ones like this. This is what really brings out that banana flavor. I'm going to peel it and cut it into chunks like this. It makes it easier for me to mash them up. You can use your potato masher or you can just use a piece of cutlery like me. I love my banana bread having a bit of banana lumps in it, so I don't mind my mashed banana having lumps. I just love eating it and I'm getting those bits of banana in it. It's so comforting, it's so delicious, and it has that perfect hint of sweetness to it. So I'll put that aside and I'll go over to other ingredients. I'm using a combination of butter for flavor and oil, sunflower oil for moisture. This gives you a perfect blend of moisture and flavor. And then I'm using brown sugar. Brown sugar works well for banana bread. It gives it that color and it also gives it a depth of flavor. I'm going to combine it with my hand whisk. If you have an electric mixer, this is also okay. I'm going to add in 2 large eggs to this and combine it. If this is your first time of watching my channel, thank you for engaging. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. I just added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. And then I'm going to add in my bananas into the wet ingredients. You want every drop of that mashed banana into this. We don't want to miss out on any bit of flavor. And I'll just combine it with my whisk. And when that is done, it's time to add in my dry ingredients. When you do add in your dry ingredients, you have to really work fast so that the gluten doesn't activate in your flour. And one way of doing this is make sure you don't overmix it. So I'm going to mix it halfway, then add my chocolate chip and mix it all the way. If you're enjoying this recipe, why don't you go ahead, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I've added in my chocolate chips. If you want to reserve some for topping it, layering on top of your banana bread, that's also okay, but I just put in everything at once. Try not to overmix it here. I've changed into a spatula for my mixing because it's much easier than a whisk at this moment. I'm going to put it in my lined baking tin, my lined loaf tin. The lining I added makes it easier to pop it out once it is done. I'll tap out any air bubbles and then I'll put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. If you're like me, you're multitasking, you can set a timer to remind you. And now our banana bread is ready. Our chocolate chip banana bread is ready. Look at that. Look at that golden, delicious banana bread. I'm going to wrap it up in a cling film and pop it in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes just to let it cool down. And this cling film will help retain the moisture of our banana bread. And off it goes to the fridge. And after 20 to 30 minutes, we are going to unwrap this. Oh, the smell of this, the aroma fills the kitchen. That banana chocolate flavor is so delicious. We are going to slice into this bad boy and see the lovely moist crumb of this chocolate chip banana bread. Oh, look at that. It's still very warm. The cake is still very warm. And look at that gorgeous banana bread. This is just so amazing. This is good for your family. It's good as a snack. You can use it to have your evening tea, and you can also share it with family and friends. Honestly, this is just the perfect comfort food, the perfect snack to go with an evening drink, like you're sitting in front of telly and you're having this lovely snack. Look at those gooey chocolates goodness in the center of it. Is so wonderful. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a like, and if you want more of this, subscribe to my channel. Let me also know in the comment section if you try this recipe, and I want to know how it went for you. Thank you so much for engaging. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.